Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions, and I have an amazing success story for client ID 6935. In just 1 week, we managed to amend some missed payments on his credit file, and he was able to continue on with his wealth creation journey. On top of that, with the fast turnaround time frame, he paid nothing up front. He simply paid us $990 for our time at the end. Usually those cases take about 4 to 6 weeks. We were super lucky to get it across the line for him so quickly. He was over the moon, and his score improved from 459 to 1008. That's higher than my score. Anyway, very good success story. At Credit Fix Solutions, we're here to change lives, not just fix credit. Please get in touch for free education. We've got some great DIY options for you as well, or simply reach out if you need help for your customers. If you're a finance broker, we have an awesome referral partnership program. We very much look forward to helping, and thanks for listening.